and then right at the end. So what do the two triangles tell us?
Stop before them.
No.
When people are turning in.
Well, are they going to turn in?
It's a one-way, isn't it?
You just passed 10 signs telling you it's a one-way. The fact you've got two triangles tells you it's a one-way road.
Yeah.
Because you should have one on this side, but nothing on that side. So to turn right in a one-way road, you need to be in the right-hand lane.
Oh, okay.
That's it. So move across. So we've got the one-way sign on the left.
Yep.
If you see there.
So keep an eye out.
One-way sign on the right.
Yep.
That's 2. Arrow on the floor. 3.
4.
One-way sign there. 4.
So if I'm taking a right at the end of this road, stay on the right.
Well, just go by the signs. Another white arrow on the lamppost, number 5.
One way.
Just to give a bit. That's it. Yeah, just keep it slow. One-way arrow on the floor, number 6. Upside down, no entry. So you can't come this way, got to go that way. Number 7. One-way arrow on the lamppost, number 8. One-way arrow on the floor, number 9. And 2 triangles,
I couldn't have had
10.
any more.
And we're going right at the end. So 10 separate signs telling you it's a one-way road.